Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. So today's tutorial we are going to learn the basic syntax of the Dart programming language. Let's get started. So identifiers. So identifiers are the name which is used to define variable, method, class and function. An identifier is a sequence of the capital letters, small letter, digits and underscore. But the first character should not be a numeric. It has some rules to define identifiers. Let's see those rules. So we will see these rules and we will try it out in our Dart pad. So let's see the first rule and we'll try it on Dart pad. The first one is the first character should not be a digit. So let's open. So here is our Dart pad. Let's write a simple example to understand those rules. So let's run this program. So it's giving Suresh at output. The first character should not be a digit. So let's try to give identifier's name as one emp name, and here also we have to give one emp name. So see here a lot of errors are coming. The second one is special character are not allowed except underscore or a dollar sign. So let's check that out also. If we are trying to use @ symbol here, so it's again throwing error. So only the symbol we can use is dollar sign. So if we are using dollar sign, so here no error, and the underscore sign also. So here we are having no error. So this is the second rule, and the first character must be alphabet, underscore or dollar sign. So we cannot use any other character. The same rule again, like we cannot use digit or any other symbol except a dollar sign, underscore sign or any alphabet. So otherwise we will get error. So here we have to give underscore sign. It's fine now. Next one is identifier must not be Dart keyword and should not contain white space. So we cannot use reserved keyword. Suppose do is reserved keyword for dot. We are trying to use do. See here it's showing a lot of errors. And the last one is the variable name ECT and ECT, the capital one and the small one will be treated differently, as Dart is a case sensitive language. So here if we are going to give emp name, let's make it if we want to make a $emp name. So see both the variables are different. The capital one is different and the small one is different. If you give emp name, so now it's okay, now it will run fine. So these are the rules for Dart identifiers. Let's have some examples for valid and invalid identifiers in Dart. So these are the valid identifiers and these are invalid identifiers. So the first one is first name. So here we don't have any space, no problem. The second one is first, here we having a space, so it's invalid. And the second one is $temp. So here that is valid because we can use dollar or underscore sign. And here this one temp underscore name, sorry, temp hyphen name is invalid because we cannot use any other sign than dollar or underscore. So here this we have used underscore sign temp name, and here we are using one that is digit, so we cannot use digit at the starting of our identifiers, so it's not a invalid. So it's invalid. Where underscore name, this is valid, and we are using @var name, so this is invalid because we cannot use any other special symbol. Dart string interpolation and printing. So print function is used to print the output on the console, and the dollar expression is used for the string interpolation in Dart. Let's have one example for that. So this one is our example. Void main, opening and closing braces are there, and inside that we have our statements. So in the first line we have where name, we have declared a name variable and we are assigning Alex name to it. We are giving a second variable where age, and we are assigning 34 integer value to it, and we are printing these name and value here. So employee name is dollar, so dollar opening braces, then closing braces, inside that we are using the variable name, and second one again here dollar opening braces and closing braces, and we are using the variable name. So this is interpolation. So we can use these values. We will have the output as employee name is Alex and age is 34. Let's run this program in STSID. Here we have our STSID. Let's create a new file. Void main. Let's give where name into Alex. The same example. So now we will save this program to run. So let's save it using name as string interpolation. We will save as type dart. Let's save it, and we can run it here because a dart plugin is installed in this IDE. So we will run it. See, we are getting the output. We can run this program in terminal also. So I have told you that. Let's see again. So we have to locate this file, desktop cd dart language tutorial, then dart string interpolation dart. So see, we are getting output. Employee name is Alex and age is 34. Let's understand the semicolon in Dart. So semicolon is used to terminate the statement. That means it indicates the statement is ended here. It is mandatory that each statement should be terminated with a semicolon. We can write multiple statements in a single line by using a semicolon as a delimiter. So the compiler will generate an error if it is not used properly. So let's see that if we are not using semicolon. So see, here we are giving error, expected to find semicolon. So we have to give, and it is used as a line separator also. If we are writing our code in a single line, so we can do that also, no problem, because we have used semicolon, but it is not a good practice. We have to use coding standard like this. It's fine. And Dart white space and line breaks. So that Dart compiler ignores white spaces. It is used to specify space, tabs and new line characters in our program. It separates one part of any statement from another part of the statement. We can also use space and tabs in our program to define indentation and provide the proper format to the program. It makes code easy to understand and readable, just like here. I have used proper curly braces with space, and I have used tabs in all these three lines. So it is very good habit to have. Block in Dart. So what is blocks? Like the block is the collection of the statement enclosed in the curly braces. In Dart, we use curly braces to group all the statement in the block. Consider this example only. This is the block, curly braces opening and curly braces closing. So here we have a block statements. This is the first statement. So statement is separated by semicolon, and the second one is this, the third one is this. So that is for the basic syntax of Dart. Thanks for watching.